Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, I'm gonna guide you through how you can easily log out of your Nintendo.com account using a web browser. If you want to log out or sign out of Nintendo.com, then the process is quite easy. First of all, open up any web browser of your preference and type in Nintendo.com inside it, and make sure that you're inside the home page. Once you're inside the official website of Nintendo, go to the top right corner and click on your nickname at the top right corner. This will open up an expanded menu where you need to go ahead and scroll all the way down and look for the sign out button. To log out of your account, click on sign out. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to see this interface. To sign back in, you'll need to provide your email address or sign-in ID and password. So make sure you have your credentials remembered. If you want to confirm the sign up, click sign out once again. Soon after you do that, you will be logged out of your Nintendo account. If you ever want to sign in again, you'll need to enter your credentials in order to get access to your account again. So that is how you easily sign out or log out of Nintendo.com account using your computer or your web browser. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.